Hi everybody, I'm here to do another unboxing of the goodies I picked up from Hermes last month. And then today my essay literally called me at like 10 something in the morning to tell me to come in store today. And I had to work that today, and we ended up going to the pool, but I still made it in store to pick up this item. So let me show you guys the little items first that I picked up. I don't know what's in here. Oh, I already took it out, but it came in this little box, and the drawstrings and the dust bag. Let me pull you guys closer. Okay, I think that's a little better. Okay. Yeah. So I got 2 items. I don't know, I have 3 boxes. Yeah, but they all come here, and I got 2 of the same items. Good job. The Hermes, can you guys see? Rivale double tour bracelets. This one is in the classic yellow gold and Hermes orange, and this one is the beautiful, it's not focusing, focus. And this one is in rose gold and blanc. Look how pretty these are. The next one, oh, my battery is flashing. So next one is in this bag, and I think you guys can kind of guess based on the box what it is. It is so stunning, you guys. I never pictured myself buying, here's a care booklet, buying this bag. It was never really on my wish list, especially not this specs, but my essay knows me so well. It has the little pillow at the bottom to reveal my new Hermes Constance in the 18 centimeter with rose gold. You guys, can you believe this? Oh my god. So this is in the color noir, which is black and rose gold. And this is just a magnetic strip, and I never really knew, because people would just say, oh, you just pull it, which you literally just pull it. You push it down and you pull it open. Look how freaking cute this is next to my head. It's freaking tiny, but it does fit your iPhone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro, and you can fit it perfectly in the front compartment. And then this is my Calvi card holder. You can fit that in the back, and you can fit it standing up. I have my key fob, which you can just fit perfectly in there, and you can fit maybe a compact and then 2 lipsticks as well. And this is just so cute. I am I'm 5 foot for reference, and I'm size 10 for reference, but this is how it looks on me. So cute. And it hits me right at my hip, a little above my hip. Oh my god, it's so cute. The rose gold. I can't believe it. With my new Rivales. Oh, so pretty. Let me try them on. So this is how the bracelet looks. And mine is in the size T3, if anybody is wondering. And this is shorter than this one, but they're both in the size T3. which just goes to show that because they're, you know, handmade, it's not really guaranteed the size. And then let me put it against my new bag. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Stop it, this is so cute. Huh? I love my new bag. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.